Hi. Your journey starts with a detailed consultation. We take X-rays, photos, and impressions of your teeth to understand your bite and alignment. Based on the findings, we create a personalized treatment plan to align your teeth and correct your bite for a healthier smile. Next, we place small brackets on your teeth and connect them with a wire. These gently guide your teeth into the right position over time. Every 4 to 6 weeks, you'll visit us for adjustments. These checkups help ensure your treatment is progressing correctly. During braces treatment, good oral hygiene is very important. We'll guide you on how to brush and floss effectively to keep your teeth healthy and strong. Once your teeth have moved into the perfect position, we remove the braces, revealing your new confident smile. To maintain your results, you'll wear a retainer. This keeps your teeth in their new position and protects your smile for the future. At ATS Dental Clinic, we combine expertise and care to give you the smile you deserve. Book your consultation today.